Galvanic PCA Moisture Mist. It comes with your set as well. So we use this to spray a light spritz over the face. Some of us spray on it. Most of us always spray on the hand. Why? Because we want to connect to this part, the back part. Okay, so this is the front, this is the back. Why do we need to connect this? Is because our body has kinetic static energy. It's going to run through our body through this tiny device that is going to come out with the galvanic current that is matching to our body's static. Okay, so you see, when you hear the tit sound, means we are connected. It's connected. The galvanic current is running. It's going to do its job just right for your skin. Okay, if you're going to do this on someone else, right, it's the same method. You're holding it. The difference is your other hand has to be in contact with the other person's hand or skin. Okay, has to be in contact because you are using their energy, their own body's energy to run back the current on their own face. Okay, yeah, it has to match that person's body. So if you're doing it on someone else, you have to I usually hold it onto their shoulders and start doing their face, or I hold their hands, or just touch somewhere, you know, skin contact. The other hand must be in skin contact with the other person while I'm doing the spa for them. Yeah, like for my children, for example. But for yourself, you don't need to. Just make sure that your hand is not too dry so that water actually connects electric, right? Yeah, so when your hand is moist enough, it's going to connect the energy to your skin like that. Okay, so and of course your skin cannot be too dry as well. That is why you have the gel. Okay, so you know that if you keep doing the spa, okay, once you put it on, right, and then you can spa. So how do I know if it's up? So you see the beeping sound that it calls, right? It usually beeps every 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds, it's going to beep to let you know that it's still running. Okay, but nobody counts. Nobody really counts. You can count. Okay, some do count. Okay, but when it ends, it's gonna sound like beep, beep, beep. Means it ended. Okay. Or if you keep doing, right, and then more than 10 seconds and no sound one, no sound means, right, it's either too dry, nothing's channeling the galvanic current, or your hand dry already. Yeah. So what you can do is you can spray your hand first and try again. Still no teeth, then you need to add more solutions here on your face or body or your hair. Okay. Yeah. You heard that? So means off already. Beep, beep, beep means ended. Okay, that's how you know when your treatment is done.